Okay, so this is the third part of the third of three short videos that show how to animate and control characters in Scratch 3.0. And the first one showed how to move a character, have it follow the mouse or the finger on a touch device, and the second one showed how to animate the character so that it changes the costume when it's moving. And now in the third one I want to show how to have the character change the direction that it's looking, depending on which way you move the mouse. So first of all, let's set the rotation style to left and right so that we can rotate the sprite accordingly. And now I need some if statement to see or to find out in which direction we should rotate the character. So if we are moving the character to the left, then the current X position is gonna be smaller than the previous one. And if we move it to the right, then the current X position is gonna be bigger, and we're gonna use that to decide in which way to return, in which way to rotate. So I'll take this one here, and I'll put my variable prefix in here and my current X position in here. And so when the current position is smaller than the previous one, I was moving to the left. So I want the character to look to the left. I'm gonna do this by specifying the direction in which the character should point, minus 90 degree. And we're gonna need the same thing again for the other direction. I'm having a problem placing this here. I'm gonna drop it here and I'll pick this and attach it at the bottom. So now we have our empty statement there. And this time I want to compare whether the current X position is, or want to find out if the current X position is bigger than the, need to go to variables, than the previous X. And in that case, I simply want it to look into the direction 90 degrees. Let's see if this worked. Yeah, nice. So now the character is moving, is rotating into the direction that we're actually trying to move it. Okay, that's part 3. Hope this works just the same way on a touch device as it does on the PC here. I didn't try it. I hope it does. Maybe if you find out that it does, give me some feedback on it. Or if you see it does not, well, gotta find out what's wrong then. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.